Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials. Allow screen and mic access in your OS, because without permissions, nothing records. Next, pick your recorder, built-in tool, dedicated app, or browser extension based on features you need. Set the capture area and quality, full screen or window, resolution, and 30 or 60 FPS for smooth motion. Once done, double-check that your device has enough disk space and battery. Make adjustments now so you can proceed without interruptions. Now configure inputs so audio and visuals are reliable. You choose the microphone and turn on system audio capture when you need app sounds. This prevents missing game or app audio. Add a webcam overlay if you want facecam. Position and lock it to avoid moving during recording. Adjust audio settings. Enable noise suppression, set gain, and record a short test clip to check levels and sync. If things are off, tweak buffer or latency settings before the main take. When you're ready, use a countdown or preview, then press record. Watch system indicators so CPU and disk I/O stay healthy. During recording, avoid heavy apps and keep your webcam/mic positioned. You can pause if needed. When finished, stop the capture. Save with a clear file name and export format like MP4. Make sure the file finishes writing before closing the app. If you encounter dropped frames or no audio, lower resolution, close background processes, and confirm drivers and
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.